Theta value equivalent to Jibber dollars a coin. The present exchange cost range, Jabber 1.3348. The earlier day closed Jabber. The change was Jibber plus 2.38%. Jabber rate USD to Theta. Dollar to Theta gauge for Jibber 2025. In the first place, cost at 1.064 Jabber. Exorbitant cost 1.064, while low Jabber. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Theta Jabber toward the month's end 0.917, change for February 13.8%. USD to Theta Jabber for Walk 2025. At the Jabber cost at 0.917 coins, Jabber cost 1.136, while low 0.917. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The Jibber to Theta conjecture toward the month's end 1.053, change for spring 14.8%. Dollar to Theta Jibber for April 2025. Before all else cost at Jabber coins. Excessive cost 1.111, while low Jibber. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 1.039. The USD to Theta figure toward the month's end Jibber. Change for April to 2.1%. USD to Jibber expectation for May 2025. To start with, cost at 1.31 Jabber. Exorbitant cost 1.064, while low Jabber. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Jabber estimate toward the month's end 0.990, change for May 4.0%. Dollar to Theta Jibber for June 2025. To start with, cost at 0.990 Jibber. Jabber cost 1.53, while low 0.917. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.985. The USD to Theta figure toward the Jibber end 0.980, change for June minus 1.0%. USD to Theta expectation for July Jibber. Initially cost at Jabber coins. Jabber cost 1.0, while low 0.85. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to Theta figure toward the Jabber end 0.943, change for July 3.8%. Dollar to Jibber conjecture for August 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.943 Jibber. Excessive cost 0.943, while low Jabber. The arrived at the Jibber of cost 0.864. The USD to Theta conjecture toward the Jibber end 0.813, change for August minus 13.8%. Jibber to Theta expectation for September 2025. Jabber cost at 0.813 coins. Jabber cost 0.813, while low 0.654. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The Jibber to Theta figure toward the month's end 0.699, change for September 14.0%. Dollar to Theta figure for Jabber 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.699 Jibber. Exorbitant cost Jibber, while low 0.629. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Theta gauge toward the month's end 0.671, change for October minus Jabber. USD to Theta Jabber for November 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.671 Jibber. Exorbitant cost 0.671, while low Jabber. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Theta conjecture toward the month's end Jabber, change for November minus 13.9%. Dollar to Jibber conjecture for December 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.578 Jibber. Excessive cost Jibber, while low 0.465. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.530. The Jibber to Theta conjecture toward the month's end 0.498, change for December 13.8%. USD to Theta expectation for January Jibber. Before all else, cost at 0.498 Jabber. Jabber cost 0.498, while low 0.417. The arrived at the Jabber of cost 0.465. The USD to Theta figure toward the month's end 0.446, change for January Jabber. Dollar to Theta figure for Jabber 2026. Before all else, cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost 0.457, while low Jabber. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 0.432. The USD to Theta estimate toward the month's end 0.426, change for February Jibber. Jibber to Theta expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost, cost at 0.426 Jibber. Exorbitant cost 0.441, while low Jibber. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Theta estimate toward the Jabber end 0.410, change for spring 3.8%. Dollar to Theta estimate for Jabber 2026. In the first place, cost at Jibber coins. Exorbitant cost 0.410, while low Jibber. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The Jabber to Theta gauge toward the month's end 0.382, change for April 6.8%. Jabber to Theta expectation for May 2026. Jabber cost at 0.382 coins. Jibber cost 0.469, while low 0.382. The Jibber at the midpoint of cost 0.48. The USD to Theta figure toward the Jibber end 0.437, change for May 14, 4%. Dollar to Theta figure for Jibber 2026. Before all else cost at Jibber coins. Excessive cost 0.559 while low Jibber. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to Theta figure toward the month's end 0.518, change for June Jabber. USD to Theta Jibber for July 2026. First and foremost, cost at 0.518 Jibber. Jabber cost 0.588, while low 0.5 no. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Jibber estimate toward the month's end 0.546, change for July 5.4%. Dollar to Theta Jibber for August 2026. First and foremost, cost at Jabber coins. Exorbitant cost Jibber, while low 0.546. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Theta estimate toward the month's end Jibber, change for August 8.4%. Jibber to Theta expectation for September 2026. In the first place, cost at Jabber coins. Exorbitant cost 0.592, while low Jabber. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Theta gauge toward the month's end Jibber, change for September 8.6%. Dollar to Jabber gauge for October 2026. To start with, cost at Jabber coins. Exorbitant cost Jabber, while low 0.435. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Jabber estimate toward the month's end 0.465, change for October 14.0%. Jabber to Theta expectation for November 2026. To start with, cost at 0.465 Jibber. Exorbitant cost Jabber, while low 0.465. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Jibber estimate toward the month's end 0.552, change for November 18.7%. Dollar to Theta figure for December Jibber. Jibber cost at 0.552 coins. Excessive cost Jibber, while low 0.552. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jabber. The USD to Jibber figure toward the month's end 0.658, change for December 19.2%. USD to Theta Jabber for January 2027. Initially cost at 0.658 Jibber. Excessive cost Jibber, while low 0.565. The arrived at the midpoint of cost Jibber. The Jibber to Theta figure toward the month's end 0.606, change for January 7.9%. Dollar to Theta figure for February Jabber. In the first place, cost at Jibber coins. Jibber cost 0.704, while low 0.606. Found the middle value of cost Jibber. The USD to Theta gauge toward the month's end 0.654, change for February Jabber. Jabber to Theta expectation for Walk 2027. In the first place, cost at Jibber coins. Jibber cost 0.813, while low 0.654. Found the middle value of cost Jabber. The USD to Theta conjecture toward the Jabber end 0.758, change for spring